Hey girl, hey, it's a new day and I just finished editing and uploading yesterday's Vlogtober video. Vlogtober is a labor of love, honestly. I have so many ideas but not enough time to like execute them all how I want to execute them. It would be amazing to have editors, but I'm not at that point in my life just yet. This vlog is gonna be super short, super simple. I need to pack these orders. I have 4 orders that I need to pack and get shipped out. So I have to make 3 cold cups and make 3 shirts because 3 of those orders are spooky mystery boxes. All 3 of them are spooky mystery boxes. They're not the witchy one. I already have them kind of put together. It's currently 12 o'clock, but I have them all kind of put together. I just need to cut out all of the designs for both the shirts and the cold cups. At some point today, I need to go to the Airbnb. Highly doubt that's gonna happen. I might stop by for a few minutes and check it out and see what's going on because the guests are checking out right now, or are supposed to be checking out right now. They haven't told us that they've checked out just yet, so just waiting to get the message, and I may or may not go ahead and run over there real quick and then come back and work on these. I at least need to get 2 of these orders done and shipped out today, where I can do the other 2 tomorrow and get those 2 shipped out tomorrow. But first, I'm gonna heat up my leftover wing stop. I just had a couple of wings left over. I'm gonna heat that up, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and lay the vinyl down for the cold cups. I'm gonna do all 3 of them the same because they're all going to different people, so I can just do it all in one run. I've been doing a lot of bats lately. I'm loving how the bats look on the orange cups. I could do the pumpkins again, but I did a long run of pumpkins, so I'm giving the pumpkins a break. I also did a long run of the skulls, so I'm giving the skulls a break. So now I'm on to the bats. And then after the bats, I probably won't do anything else after the bats, but let me pull up the designs and go ahead and get them started on the Cricut. I needed to free up some space on my laptop. I also need to free up some space on my phone. So I'm going to take all of these files that I usually use to design and merge them into my hard drive, or copy them over to my hard drive. This is a PlayStation Seagate hard drive that I got off Amazon. I used to use it on my PlayStation 4, but I don't really use my PlayStation 4 anymore, and I use my PlayStation 5 more, so I don't need this yet, at least. But in the event that I do, I'll just go and get me another one. They're like $50 on Amazon. But as you see, I'm just waiting for these files to copy over. And then I'm going to delete them all off of my computer. And then whenever I need to access any of these files, I'll just pull straight from my hard drive and connect to my hard drive. So that'll make my computer move faster also, because I did copy quite a bit of files over to this computer when I got it. She's moving a little slow, if you know what I'm saying. Then I think I'm going to make a folder. Let me go ahead. I'm going to make a folder for pictures from my iPhone, and I'm going to upload all of those pictures into that folder. I think I'm going to airdrop all of those, though. I'm going to do them by year too, so they're easy to sort through.
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through a drought.
I have 2 orders done, and I'm finishing up my 3rd order. I just finished pressing it on the heat press. I'm just letting it cool down. And then I'm going to pack it up and finish packing that box with y'all. This shirt turned out so cute. Feeling witchy. I love the silver glitter, and I love the purple bats on it. The purple bats give it some dimension.
I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. Hey, hey, hey. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air. player if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To the honeys getting money, playing fellas like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Wow. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Baby. I'm running out of time. Cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road and overdrive. Baby. Oh, the city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. All I said, ooh, am I blinded by the lights? No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said,
I just left the post office. Now I'm gonna go to UPS. Going on 4 o'clock, so I really need to get on the road. So let's go.
Planned Parenthood. I be like I'm doing this time that nigga blue could he coming for the brains. I'm a unit, I take no shit. And baby, I'm the one I don't.
Currently at the Airbnb, I got a sausage biscuit, a hash brown, and of course my sweet tea from McDonald's this morning. The Airbnb wasn't too bad at all. I have some laundry going. I'm going to put that in the dryer, and then I have an order that I need to go. I actually have 2 orders that I need to go and pack. One is for an order of the Shubo charms. The other is for that spooky mystery box that I started working on yesterday with you guys. I need to do both of those. It's currently 11:42. I was editing a video, and I need to plan out a bunch of short form content today and film at least 2 pieces of content today, because I have like maybe 3 pieces of content that I can edit and upload. I need something new. I need something fresh. I need to do some trend research today. So I'm so glad that I got my YouTube video out the way and I can focus on my TikTok, my Instagram. I also need to send out an email blast. I'm on a sale right now. I have all of the summer stuff on sale. I have all of the spring/summery type stuff on sale, like my swimsuits and stuff like that. I also want to do get a free keychain with your order. I have a bunch of keychains, and I think it would be nice to give you girlies some cute phone charms and etc. That's on my agenda today. I have very minimal time to do it because I need to get to the post office by 4 o'clock. So I have about 4 hours to do all of these things that I want to do today. I need to get a move on. I'm waiting for this load to finish up. I'm gonna show y'all the Airbnb so you can see what it's looking like. It's not bad. I just need to vacuum and then I will mop. But I'm gonna wait to mop because it is pouring down raining. This box came together so well. It is really cute. I also picked up some of these Haribo mini gummy bears, and I have them up here with my freebies because now every spooky box order is going to come with a little sweet treat for you guys. And it's not something big where if you don't want it, it's taking up space in your box. You can easily throw it away, give it away, whatever you want to do with it. But I thought these were so cute. They're so tiny. I can't wait to see if I get any reviews about these really cute gummy bears.
on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through a drought. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around and since city's cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. Hey, hey, hey.
I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To the honeys, getting money, playing fellas like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place.